Hello everyone. Today we're going to see about the topic Introduction to Data Science with Python Programming. It contains the concepts like list, dictionary, tuples, sets, and its attributes. We demonstrated this program in Jupyter Lab. Here we going to see this. See, here there is a dictionary called books. There's a dictionary called books, and can store book IDs, names, which was entered by the users, and we can search the book by ID or name. Follows like subject, we have the dictionary subject, the same as books. We have codes and names in dictionary. We can entered by can be entered by and shows the matching subject codes. Then follows by list. It takes the strings as input and counts how many have to how many are two or more characters and have the first and last letters of the string which we entered. There's a set creates the set from the user and its input and prints the maximum value using the maximum function, followed by the set value check, takes the set of various value from the user and checks the checks is whether specific value exists in the set or not. And tuple converts user entered numbers into tuple and prints the sum of all elements. Here we imported a CSV file which have the data sets like this. So that's it about data dictionary and data science, sorry, introduction to data science in Python. Thank you.